Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about crypto analysis tools. What are crypto analysis tools? The tools will help you to make a good analysis with the crypto market. For example, you can see you have Glassnode AG, you have token matrix, you have sentiment, you have coin market cap, you have CoinGecko, and you have TradingView. Let me tell you something that TradingView is the best tool that you can use to make analysis before trading, guys. So, but it's a paid plan. So you have money, you have to pay to use the full play of this platform. But if you don't have money, you can use the free plane too. For my case, I only use CoinMarketCap and TradingViews. Sometimes I use Token Matrix or CoinGecko for watching the new crypto listing. I used to the screener, but today we're going to open the TradingView. What is TradingView? TradingView. TradingView is one of the most popular cryptocurrency trading tools and crypto analysis websites. It's an excellent choice for beginners and experienced. So, TradingView boasts a vibrant community of traders and investors, making it not just a tool, but a platform for learning and sharing trading ideas. This platform includes an array of drawing tools to help traders identify pattern or trend lines and support resistance level. The platform also integrates many other tools, guys. So what do you think if we open this platform? Okay, okay guys, let's search about trading view. Okay, what the word does market summary, US stocks, crypto market, many things. Okay guys, so right now we are on this platform. Okay, you can see the different patterns. Okay, let's search about market. So we are interesting right now about the crypto market, guys. Okay, the crypto market. You can see about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, USD Coin, XRP coins. Okay, let's talk about market chart. Okay, guys, you can see this market is about the all altcoins. Okay, let's see. Let's choose a specific market. Let's choose Bitcoin, for example. You see, I choose Bitcoin. This is the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, but let's change to candles. The candle is more practical to make analysis. Okay, guys. So I can choose the time of the candle. Okay, price, market cap, news, etc. Okay, you can see all the other tools like market cap, the day of the transaction, the last transaction, the variation of this market, guys. So you can see the total supply. What is the total supply? You can go here to see the definition. This is the amount of coins that have already been created minus any coins or tokens, if you want, that have been burned, removed from the circulation. Okay, you can see the circulating supply, fully market capitalization, $2 trillion of dollars, guys. So This is the best trading analysis tools that we can see about stock market, crypto market, futures trading, forex, and many others, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.